Why do you need to install GMC wheel spacers with Hub-Centric? GMC wheel spacers are a common modification for car mode lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The GMC wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. Recommend installing the wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The GMC wheel spacers can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger components or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric GMC wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS GMC wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS GMC wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Hub-Centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and stress than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacers is usually more expensive than lug-centric. This is why this type of wheel spacers is usually more expensive than lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of the vehicle. Besides, the bloxsport active cooling GMC wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow confusing inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as actuators, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. So, if you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your GMC, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.